Yeah, I'll catch this on video. Everyone's here to the sunset. I'm thinking the red tables are full first, so it must be the cheapest. Right over the water. I reckon Dreamland up there is the way to go. You can't see it. Smile, hun. So they reckon that's about 10 minutes away. Sunset. As that crane get here before it gets even more of a crowd. Like getting here is just a shit show, really. It's just 5Ks, 20 minutes to get here. And okay, it's a nice beach, but won't be coming back, that's for sure. You get this sunset anywhere, really. And it's a great sunset. No. The price is a little bit up. It's full of influencers, you know.
I'd come back here.
I wouldn't come back now.
The only thing that would stop me would be all that bloody traffic getting into the water.
Yeah, it was horrible. So, and it's just, and you go through one bit, then you come down and say, oh, we're out of the traffic. But you're not out of the traffic because you get to the, close to here, there's traffic again, and it's just, you can see all the land's been sold and been developed, and they're putting up more villas and more shops. More traffic. So, and then, listen, this place would have been awesome 10, 15 years ago. And it's not bad now, but it's just my opinion. It's great for millennials who don't know any difference, I guess, but you're paying over and above, like double the prices for everything. The surf's pretty good when it's happening. I've got some surfers out there now. You've got 3 breaks happening at once, so you've got the surfers there at the moment.
It's plain in the same spot.
But also you'll get a break out here, just under the sun there. But anyway. That's where we get our food from, down there. The sun's starting to hit the, I reckon we've got about 15 minutes, so I'm not going to go for that long. I'll have another drink. I would fast forward about now, that's all right, if you haven't already. A video of a video. That's not bad. Well, I'll just show you here. You come to this beach. Don't leave the freaking bottles on the beach. Don't be a dickhead. Someone's like two bottles in there. Come on the beach and you're thinking, yeah, I'll go there because it's beautiful and pristine. And it largely is. You get dickheads like that, and they leave their bottles on the beach. I'm on patrol. Okay, let's say sunrise. There you go, save your time coming. Let's watch this. Sunset. Oh my god. How's full of that now? How's the surf going?
They're catching a few actually.
Really?
Yeah, a few more breaks. They've been very patient.
But we're getting deep. That's all the people who are watching a sunset.
Looks nice with that boat there.
It looks, oh, I can't see it. All those boats got out there to watch it, I guess. No, yeah, it's lovely coming across here. Same on the Gold Coast where you get the sunrise. We go for what's going on there, dang it? All these people waiting. Pain. That's not a bad photo. Oh, my finger in the way. That's it.
About right on time at 6:09 now.
Yeah.
Sunset was supposed to be 6:16.
Coming through the clouds a bit there. Should have started about 10 minutes later. So, what's time now?
6:10.
6:10, 5, 4, 6 minutes. Let's check the surface. Oh, fingers. Hey, can you smell those Bali clove cigarettes? How good are that? So if you want to come to Bali, this is alright, but go to Lipa Beach. Place is good. This place is overpriced. Nice, but overpriced. Lipa Beach like the old Bali 30 years ago. Little villages. But plenty there to wrongs and all that sort of stuff. But Lipa Beach in Ahmed, not other beaches are not that so great, but the wrongs and all that sort of stuff are the best. You got everything, foot spas and face spas, but it's like a real community. Here, it's teamed up for the younger people, I guess, which is fine. Oh, that's really bright now. It's a cracker of a photo. Well, I'm hoping that's catching it. Because it's very bright in the sky. That's worthwhile coming to see. Let's just spin up a little bit more and we'll get that. Whoa, it's a big ball in the sky. That's a cracker. Apart from my finger going across the screen, that's a cracker. So if you fast forward, it's done well. It's pretty quiet. That's the beach. But it looks, I can tell you, it looks 10 times better for here. And it's just, it's like a moon in the sky. Look at that, it's like a moon.
Yeah.
Oh. That is, oh my God, I've never seen the sun look like
It's
that.
just about to hit the.
I know, but it's like the moon, isn't it? It's like a full moon.
Yeah.
But, you know, oh my God. So, come and check it out for yourself. That is a cracker. It's heading down now, but my God, that was worth seeing. I was a skeptic, but it looks like that looks 10 times bigger than what you're seeing on here.
That looks stunning, doesn't it, from here? You
Oh,
can just see it.
it's like the moon going out. Yes. Oh my God. What a privilege that is.
It looks like it's just sinking. It's like it's a crystal ball
Yeah.
sinking into the ocean.
It's unbelievable, actually. Oh my god. Oh my, that is the best sunset I've ever
Yeah,
seen.
it's beautiful, isn't it?
I take everything back I said earlier. That's a cracker.
It's like it's sinking into the ocean. It's magic. I've never seen the sun sink into the water like that before.
No, me. Oh my god, it's unbelievable.
It's much better in person than it is on video.
Oh, you're
too.
not gonna appreciate this.
Unfortunately, it never captures it quite well enough on video.
Look at that. Alright, worth seeing. Give it that. Pay the extras. Pay the overs on the food. Drinks. It's a cracker. Come on. Why not? Too nice, man. Look at that. So this video doesn't do justice. Sands my fingers in a way, but you know, doesn't do justice at all. Everyone. You'd pay for that, wouldn't you? Incredible. Alright, surf's still out there. Over here, so. Cheers, guys.